Okay, team, this corner here is where the ovens go.
Got it, I'll set the first laser mark now.
The laser is set for the main alignment. We've marked the southeast corner here. All right, hammering the next stake now.
Okay, the dump truck is full. Get it moving.
Copy. Diverting the next load to Sector 4. Bulldozer, maintain course.
We need more rebar over here now. Clear the area, watch the sparks.
Ensure the edges are perfectly level over there. I've noted the consistency here as excellent.
All right, bring it up slowly. Looks good from here, lock it in. Watch the clearance on Sector 4. Hold it steady. Bring it down 50 centimeters. Watch the corner, easy.
We need more sealant on the west side.
Roger that, sending a crew over now.
Watch your step near the edge.
Lower the main hoist slowly. We need it perfectly aligned. Confirmed, coming down now.
Hold it there, steady.
Start bolting sequence Gamma 9. Pipes aligned, ready for connection.
All systems green. Calibration sequence complete. Requesting full rotation cycle.
Align the next segment, Stat.
Sensors on section Gamma are reading green.
Keep it moving, we're almost clear. We have green across the board. The flow is perfect. Acknowledged. The system is ready for production.
The nozzle alignment looks perfect now. Yep.
Yes, the cheese distribution is much more consistent. Let's lock in these parameters.
Look at it go! We did it, the first pizza.
We have to tell them before it's too late. They deserve to know the truth.
Patience, Alara. The truth has a way of revealing itself when the time is right.
Looks good. Pepperoni coverage is consistent across the board. Confirmed. The mushroom distribution on this one meets specs.